Hey friends, today I want to teach you about GPT stacking. And what this is basically we are going to be talking about some team members that I've created for you. And the first step is going to be that you'll have your own custom GPT, and it's trained in your voice, in your brand. It knows everything about your business. And then what you're able to do is have this amazing dream team of marketers that you can call in one at a time that's trained on specific things. Let me show you an example. Okay, what we have here is my custom GPT that is trained with all of my information about my coaching business. And I'm going to call in my blogger. And this is Betsy the blogger. So I type the @ symbol. And then I'm going to just start typing her name and she'll come up, Betsy the blogger. And then I'm going to ask her to create a blog for me today. Betsy, create a blog post for me about the value of creating a custom GPT trained in your business. Betsy is trained to always ask 2 questions. So what do we want the blog post to be about? And then the second is what action we would like the reader to take after reading it. And so I'll respond. So for question number 1, that is correct. Just in general, I want to teach others why it's valuable to create a custom GPT. And then after they read the blog post, I would like for them to sign up for my How to Train Your Robot class. And if you've never used that icon before, it's just this little microphone and it allows you to dictate your answers. But she says, okay, here's what I'll do. I'll write this blog post. It'll be SEO optimized. And then what's super cool is it's going to give image prompts based on what it suggests. So here it gives me a title, it gives me a meta description, targeted keywords. It'll include an introduction, then the headers for each of the sections. And what I like about this is I'm using it in my GPT. So it knows the language that I like to use when I'm writing. It knows about my clients. And here we go. So that's magical. Then this part here, so it gives photo prompts. So then I could utilize these and have over in Canva or right here. So that is called stacking. And if I'm finished using Betsy, then I would click the X. And now let's say I'm going to call in my next GPT, which is Penny, my pin pal for Pinterest. And I'll click the @ sign and then type in Penny. And because those are on the other side and I've recently used them, they're able to open up. So now, Penny, can you help me design some pins for the topic above that I wrote my blog post about? And then Penny is trained and she's going to feed back some keywords that I can use for Pinterest, some sample pin titles. She'll give me a pin description. And then again, some ideas for design prompts on what I might design over on Canva. This is how I love to stack GPTs. And I'll be showing you some more of my marketing custom GPTs that I've created later this week. So be sure to look for the Dream Team.